इससे अच्छा 5-6 में जाके बैठ गए
सर प्लीज सेंटर में एक बार आइए।
saying that for some reason when my room was up there, he keeps coming in very early.
थैंक यू। साइड हो जाइए आप लोग साइड हो जाइए भैया।
Our neighboring relationships will be the first priority, will be the overriding priority of the Modi government, and that is as it should be. Looking ahead, definitely I think the two axioms that the Prime Minister has given us, Bharat first and Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, these will be the two guiding axioms of the Indian foreign policy.